Assalamu alaikum. Good to see you. Today we talk about a daily routine, the things we do every day. This is one of the best speaking topics because you can talk about it forever. So tell me, what time do you get up? So if you tell me the exact time, so you would say at 6:30. So first take a quick review about our previous lesson. So you will just speak about your job. Okay, let's start. What is the first thing you do every morning? Say one sentence like, first I drink water, or first I check my phone. So today you will learn describe your daily routine, morning and night, or morning till night. You will use the present simple for habits, as well as you also can watch my other video regarding present indefinite or simple present tense. And you will use time words at 7 o'clock in the morning and so on. And you shall speak for 60 to 90 seconds about your day. So daily routine uses grammar you will use all the time. The present simple. Today you will describe your day. Let's learn a routine verbs. Listen and repeat. Okay. So do you get up early or late? So you can say I get up early. Get up means wake up. So number two, what is your favorite time of day? You can tell me which is your favorite time of the day and type morning or night. You can tell me in the comment. So there are some words, they are routine words and you use in your daily routine, like get up, have breakfast. Have breakfast mean eat breakfast. We usually don't use eat breakfast, okay? Native speakers use have breakfast, have dinner, have lunch. So have means eating. So go to work, start work, finish work. Like I get up at 6 o'clock. I have breakfast at 7. I go to work at 8. I start my work at 9. I finish my work at 5. So speak all these sentences that what I recently spoke. So you need to make practice at least one time now. And then we shall move forward. And let me tell you that for all these words, I just used present indefinite tense here. So you should be familiar with simple present tense. So when I will talk about present indefinite, it's mean that is also called simple present. They both are same thing, so you don't need to be confused. So the present simple is for habits, things we do again and again. So these are also the routine words like you come home, you have dinner, you watch TV, you go to bed, okay? You go to school every day, you go to work every day. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. It's mean that I sleep at 10 o'clock. I watch TV at 8 o'clock. I have dinner 7 p.m. I come home after job at 6 o'clock. So these are the times of the day when we shall use in English. So we would say like morning time, when the sun rises till 12. After 12, afternoon starts. Such as I already told you in my previous video, that we use afternoon after 1 o'clock, 12 till 1. You can say it's noon time. You also can say afternoon, it's okay. And then evening time starts 5 till 9. And after 9 till morning, the night time. And the prepositions and what phrase you will use, I also have mentioned down: in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and for night, you shall use at night. Okay? It's mean that if you have to use the sentences, so you will use in the morning, in the afternoon, like I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I have my lunch at 2 in the afternoon. I come home late in the evening. I watch movie at night. So these are the sentences that I recently spoke you. So you can take a practice when you have to take a bath. Okay. So you will use take a shower. Like I get up at 6 o'clock. I take a shower at 6:30. When you are talking about exact time, so you will use at. Okay. So I have breakfast. If it means that you eat breakfast at 7, so you go to work at 8. So these are the sentences that you can make practice after. And it is also good if you make it practice right now after me, because you can see that on each picture I take a break regarding 20 to 30 seconds, so you can repeat after me. So I have lunch at 1. I work at 2. I finish my work at 5. I come home at 5:30. So this is the routine that I just have mentioned here. This is just example. You can use your own, and it will be more good if you will use your own. Evening routine. I have dinner 8 o'clock. I watch TV 9 o'clock. Okay, I brush my teeth at 10:30 and I go to bed at 11. Native speakers don't use I sleep at 11. They use I go to bed at 11. So, such as I already told you that present simple tense is used for habits. So, like I get up early, I have breakfast, I go to bed late. He gets up early, she has breakfast, she goes to bed late. Regarding present simple tense, you can watch my other video regarding tense. And I would suggest you that you should watch that one, because in that video I have explained each and everything regarding present simple tense, how and where it is used. And here let me tell you that with he, she, it, and singular noun, you will add s or es with main verb. So at, you will use plus clock time. Okay, and at night, like at 7 o'clock, at 6 o'clock, at 2 o'clock, at 1 o'clock. And for at night, in in you will use in plus part of day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. And every is used for every day, every morning. So these are the common routine verbs that is spoken in daily conversation. Get up, have breakfast, go to work, start work, finish work, come home, have dinner, watch TV, go to bed, sleep. So you must remember this. So when you have to explain your routine, how would you explain this? Like, first I get up, then I have breakfast, after that I go to work, and finally I go to bed. This is the best way to explain things, and you will use these terms like first, then, after that, and finally. Okay, so these words join your actions into a smooth story. So I have mentioned here as an example. So you read it once and you will make your own and you will speak for your own. Then it will help you more. And speaking is compulsory. And when I tell you that you have to speak this, it's mean that you have to speak it loudly. I get up at 6:30. I have breakfast at 7. I start work at 9 and finish at 5. In the evening, I watch TV. I go to bed at 11. So this is a practice of person A and person B. Person A, what time did you get up? Person B, I get up at 6. And you, person A, I get up at 7. What do you do then? Person B, I have breakfast and go to work. Person A, what time do you go to bed? Person B, at 11. I'm tired by then. Try to make practice with your partner. So pronunciation, okay? How would you say at 7 o'clock? At 7 o'clock. Get up at 8 in the morning. So if you cannot pronounce at fast, so no problem. You can go just read slowly, like at 7 o'clock. First, it is necessary that you should speak correctly. Later, you can move with speed. If you are facing difficulty to move speed, then no worries. This is not your level to speak in speed, but this is your level that where you are learning right now. You have to just speak correctly. So this is your turn that you have to fill this and you have to speak, but use with first, then, later, and finally. So this is the practice that you will make after rooms of two. You get a partner. Tell each other your daily routine. Find one thing you both do and then discuss on it. So this is the thing that you will fill. So this is a quick quiz that you have to give an answer. And let's fix it together. These are some mistakes that sometimes people do. Like, I get up in 6. So not in 6, but at 6, because you are explaining the exact time. So I go to work in the night. So I go to work in the morning. In the morning. She get up early. No, you will add s and es with get, main verb. With he, she, it, and singular noun, we add s or es in simple present tense. So she gets up early. Every days I work. No, it is not every days. It is every day I work. So you have to describe your day. First round, you would go with 45 seconds, after 60 seconds, and the third one with 90 seconds. And you have to add more details each round, like you can add times, places, feelings, what you do. So after making some practices, I am pretty sure that you can describe your daily routine. You can use the present simple for habits, and you can use at in with times, and you can speak for 60 to 90 seconds about your day. So I hope that you will get it. So today we are done here. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.